Since the establishment of the company in 2011, EasyMe has been focusing on the after-sales service market of construction machinery, special vehicles and trucks. We have developed our own app online supplier more than 1,000, provide various spare parts for more than 100,000 customers. Our parts system can provide customers with accurate quotations in the shortest time. Our warehouse has sufficient inventory to greatly shorten the delivery time.